Welcome back, everyone. D-Man here. Package in the house from Big Red EDC. Oh, snaps. Well, here's what happened. I attended his Saturday Knife Live, and I was drawn into a raffle. I guess the number right first time, and then second time I lost. But anyways, they were cool enough to send me out a care package, a little bit of swag. So let's see what's in the package. I'm going to be using the Victorinox little pocket knife featuring the Old Glory. Shout out to that. Alright, let's do this. Hopefully I don't cut into anything. I think down here we should be fine, right? Let me get in here real quick and slice. Rah! Oh yeah, nice slice. Slice right into my mat as well, but that's what it's for though. And it looks like, wow, I just cut the top of that bag. Oh snaps, check it out. There it is. That's where I was, fellas. A little bit of the top of that bag there. I'm glad I didn't damage anything. Now, as you know, I don't have no stickers, so that's cool that I have these, because now I'm gonna have to go out and buy myself a nice little glass piece, I'm thinking, and stop advertising you guys on here. So yeah, I actually like that. So yeah, that's cool. Alright, set that off to the side there. Let's see what we have. Oh yeah, actually I'm liking these colors. Alright, we'll put that bag off to the side. I guess I'm just displaying them all over here so you guys can see. That was cool. I like that design. Check that out. Really liking the little bird. Let's go. Zach's, shout out to Zach as well. He was in the show as well. Alright. Oh man, nice. Very nice. Wow. I think I'm overwhelmed with sticker madness over here. Wow. Holy moly. Little business card. Uncle Carl Army. Hey, buddy. I know you. Yeah. Shout out to Uncle Carl, by the way. Zach stuff in the house again. That's cool. Oh yeah. I'm digging that. That's going to be my first one, second one. Yep, gotta get that glass piece. I might have to even make one. Shout out to Zach stuff. Big shout out to Big Red EDC. Sending me this little care package here. I want to give a special shout out to everyone coming in, checking out this quick video. I'm sure many of you are already subscribed to Big Red EDC and Zach stuff and all these other guys. Even Uncle Kyle, check them out if you're not. But really liking these stickers. Look at that. Yeah. Gotta work on that glare. Anyways, alright, I want to give a shout out to all my new subs. Special shout out to the DMKusa crew. You know who you are. Shout out to everyone rocking out with me over on Instagram. That's where I'm at. Full time at Full Throttle. Oh, I almost forgot. Another special shout out to all the woodpeckers and plugs out there. You know who you are as well. I'm out of here. Cheers.